Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Simplified. In this video, we're going to see a basic question which looks like organic, but actually it's from physical chemistry, exclusively on thermodynamics. We are just asked to find out the true statement for the following transformation given. So there is a Diels-Alder reaction taking place under thermal condition. They are asked us to give us the nature of delta H naught and delta S naught of the reaction. So first let us identify the delta S of the reaction. So you could see the molecules are getting in order. So whenever the system gets ordered, we know that your delta S becomes negative. So there is a drop in the entropy is observed because these two molecules combine to give one single molecules. That means the molecule are getting in order, so delta S becomes negative. So we know that for a reaction to be feasible, your delta G must be negative, and we know that delta G is given by delta H minus T delta S. So as in this case delta S becomes negative, so this fraction whole thing will become positive. So to make the reaction feasible, your delta H nature should be a higher negative value, so that your delta G will be negative and the reaction will be spontaneous. I repeat once again. So in case of a Diels-Alder reaction that is given here, the molecules are getting arranged in a proper orientation, so there is a drop in the entropy is observed, so it becomes negative. So we know that a process to be spontaneous, your delta G must be negative. So we know that delta G is given by delta H minus T delta S. So as this fraction becomes positive, to make the reaction feasible, the nature of delta H must be a higher negative value. So in this case option B should be right, shows that delta H and delta S are negative. Thank you for watching.